Hi everyone, this is a get ready with me video and I'm starting with my moisturizer. Moving on, I'll be applying a oil, yes, facial oil, because it's winter and skins are so dry. আমার স্কিন তো অনেক ড্রাই। আমি অল্প একটু ইউজ করব কারণ বেশি দিলে স্কিনটা গ্রিসি হয়ে যায়। Then I'll do my brows. This is a usual routine I do. Brows actually takes time. আমার তো অনেক টাইম লাগে। আমার দুইটা ব্রাউজ সিমিলার করতে প্রচুর টাইম লাগে, so I'm combing through it and finally I'm happy with it. Moving on, then next I'll be going to my foundation, which is one of my favorite foundation. As you can see, this is my second bottle actually, and I'm applying it very small amount and blending it with a brush. Lately I have started using liquid blush and it's amazing. আমার অলওয়েজ ভালো লাগে যে আমি বেশি ইউজ করে ফেলবো, তো আমি অল্প একটু দিয়ে স্টার্ট করি and then I blend it with another brush. It looks actually very good in real. You should try it if you haven't already. Then moving on to powder, I'll use this powder to set my face and it's broken just like me. Well, after powdering my whole face, then I go to blush and I usually mix up my blushes. I actually enjoy blushes, the whole flushed cheek or the ready nose. I actually love that thing. After drenching my face with lots of blushes, I go to my eyes again and just create some depth with some brown color, and I use a kohl pencil to smudge my eyelid a bit and my lower lash line as well. And I smudge it with a brush just so it looks quite soft. Moving on, I apply some mascara on my eyelashes, which are very small. You can't even see them properly. Then a failed attempt to hide my big cheeks with some bronzer. We are almost at the finishing line with my setting spray. This one is from Ofra. I have a love and hate relationship with it. Moving on with my lipstick, this is from Physician Formula. Firstly, I went with this misty color top, but then I changed it with a black one and with a black or off-white blazer. Yes, that's more like it. Well, then I powder my face a bit because it was looking a bit oily. Then I'll be taking this purse. We are going to buy my husband a sweater, a jacket. This is my whole look and I'm looking cute, I must say. As I'm new to this, my camera angle is not that perfect. Bear with me, I'll be good, don't worry. And that's it, me loving myself. This was a pure leather shop where we went for a jacket, but then we went to Boshundhara city for some more shopping and it was so crowded. বিজয় দিবসে মার্কেটে এত মানুষ কেন আমি বুঝি নাই. So look at my face close up. Thank you God for my skin. And with that I finish my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.